In this video, I'm going to show you how to export best quality videos using DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. Open DaVinci Resolve. Once you are done with editing, go to Export page. In Export page, we have a lot of predefined render settings available, like YouTube, Twitter and all. But I am going to use the Custom Export template. Click on the template. Change the file name and location to whatever you want. Now for the format, I personally use QuickTime. You can select MP4 as well. For this video, I'm going to select MP4. For codec, you can select either of them. Personally, I will use H.265 because I feel like video looks a little better with it. In resolution, I'm going to select 4K. Now the important part. Quality. Here the thumb rule is to multiply the number of frames by 2000. Now click on the Restrict button and change it to 60,000. But I personally use 70,000, cause I don't mind a large file. Finally, verify all the settings once and click on Add to Render Queue. It won't start rendering unless you click on Render All button. That's it, we are done.